Hey, welcome. Let me today show you how you can easily create a subscribe overlay button for your YouTube videos using Alight Motion. Alight Motion is a video editor as well as an animation creator. Application available on Android and mobile devices. So you can download Alight Motion from Play Store and try for yourself. The premium model is also very cost effective. So let's jump into the video to see how we can create a simple overlay subscribe button which you can use in your YouTube video projects, in your mobile productions. So let's go.
If you don't have Alight Motion, you can download from the Play Store. It is free to download and use. The premium version is also very cost effective. So we will start a project 16:9 aspect ratio and then add a rectangle. So I'm adding a rectangle with green color and adjusting the rectangle to fill the whole of the screen. You can use the two-finger drag to fill the screen. I'll add one more shape with red color as the button color. So I'll add some shadow to this button to have a little bit of 3D effect. Adjust the button size to your liking. I'll adjust it to the middle of the screen. And I'll add some shadow by going into the borders and shadows menu. So I'll enable the shadow and adjust a little bit so that it looks a kind of a 3D button. So once it is done, so I think it is okay. I'll go ahead and add some text on top of the button. So I'll write simply the subscribe word with white font color. Adjust it to the middle of the button and I'll change the font to Montserrat Black. Montserrat is a very good font. Alight Motion have a lot of fonts inbuilt, so you won't have difficulty in finding your favorite font within Alight Motion. So you don't have to download any new font from the internet for Alight Motion. It has a lot of different fonts already. So I will give a shadow to the subscribe text layer as well, so that the subscribe text layer pops out of the red button. So it is kind of a 3D effect given. Now once everything is done, we can go to the effects panel to give a little bit of effects to the button. So I'll go ahead and add a brightness contrast effect to it. So it is very easy, you just have to keyframe it a little bit. I have added 3 keyframes, initial, middle and end, where I changed the brightness in the middle and kept the brightness at 0 levels at initial and the end positions, so that it seems like the brightness changes in between. So this is a simple effect added to the button. So you can change or you can add different effects which are available in Alight Motion. There are a lot of effects within Alight Motion, so you can play around with different effects panel in Alight Motion to make your own custom animation or animated overlay button. So this is how it is done. The button is ready. Now we can export it as a video, and then once exported, the saved video file can be used over and over again in other video projects as an overlay. We have used a green color to use it as a chroma key color. So the button is ready now, it is saved to my gallery. So I will show you quickly how we can use it in a KineMaster project. In KineMaster, I'll open a stock video footage which I have downloaded from Pixabay. Pixabay is a stock video website where you can download free of cost a lot of videos and photography assets for your projects. So this is a stock video where I will add as a layer the newly created subscribe video button. So you adjust the position of the subscribe button. I am keeping it to the lower thirds as normal and enable the chroma. So once the chroma key is enabled, the green color is removed and we have the red subscribe overlay button on top of our stock video footage. So this is how you can add a subscribe button which is created in our Alight Motion. So this is very simple. You can use your creativity to create very attractive looking buttons. So I hope you liked the video. If somehow you liked it and thought that it has some value, you can consider subscribing to my channel for more videos on Android apps in the future. Thank you very much.